Living with diabetes comes with a lot of challenges, and one of those challenges is unenjoyable sex. But you see, this 2024, we are not going to allow that happen after watching this video. So today we will be talking about a very important and sensitive topic when it comes to diabetes management: sex and diabetes. This is actually a topic that is being avoided when it comes to diabetes management because most people don't like to talk about their sex life. Many people feel embarrassed or they feel shy to talk about the problems they are having when it concerns sex. But this is actually one of the greatest problems that is being faced by people who have diabetes. Diabetes can affect the nerves, and when it affects the nerves, many people will have problems having a healthy sex life. So in this video, I will be giving you 5 tips to prepare you for a healthy and enjoyable sex when you have diabetes. So make sure to watch the video up to the end so that you don't miss out on any points. Hi, if you're new here, you're welcome to my channel. I make videos on how to manage diabetes and also prevent diabetes complications. With that being said, let's dive into the video. Whether you are newly diagnosed or you have been living with diabetes for a very long time, understanding how diabetes affects your sex life is very important. One thing you need to understand is that having diabetes doesn't mean that you can't have a satisfying sex. No. It just means that you need to plan a little bit extra to ensure that everything goes smoothly. Step number 1 is communication. You see, communication, it is very important to talk to your partner about your diabetes and also make them to understand how diabetes is affecting your sex life. This includes discussing things like how your body might react to certain situations and also tell them what to do when you start feeling unwell. The thing with communication is that open communication builds trust and makes your partner more relaxed, thereby making sex even more enjoyable. Step 2, be prepared. When you are a diabetic, before having any sexual intercourse, make sure to do a little bit of preparation before time. This little preparation is to ensure that everything goes smoothly and enjoyable. So for instance, if you are on medications like insulin, you might need to do a little bit of adjustment on the day that you have sexual intercourse. But before you do this, always make sure to consult with your doctor. Another thing you can do in preparation for a smooth sex is that you can keep your diabetes supplies within your reach so that you can always reach them when need arises. Step number 3, address any sexual dysfunction. Diabetes can lead to issues like erectile dysfunction and vaginal dryness. So if you have problems in your sexual life like vaginal dryness or erectile dysfunction, it is very important for you to have an open discussion with either your partner or healthcare provider. There are treatments available that can significantly help these problems. So never you feel embarrassed about these problems. Remember, you are not alone. You have your doctors and your medical team to help guide you through these challenges. Step number 4, manage your blood sugar. Step number 4 is very important because high or low blood sugar levels can affect your sexual performance and desire. So here are a few things to do. Number 1, always make sure to check your blood sugar levels before having sexual intercourse. 2, make sure to keep snacks nearby in case your blood sugar level drops. 3, avoid drinking alcohol before sex, as this can lead to unexpected changes in your blood sugar levels. Keeping your blood sugar levels stable prevents you from having complications and also ensures that you have enough energy during intimacy. Step number 5 is to take care of your general health. To take care of your general health includes things like regular exercises, eating a balanced meal or healthy meals, and also getting proper sleep. All these helps to boost your libido and also improve your sexual function. Staying fit and healthy does not only improve your sexual life but also improves your quality of life with diabetes. So to wrap things up, remember that having diabetes means that you have to take extra steps to ensure that everything runs smoothly and enjoyable. And it doesn't have to stop you from having a fulfilling and enjoyable sex life. Talk openly with your partner, stay prepared, keep your blood sugar levels under control, and also take good care of your overall health. If you do that, I assure you, you will have an enjoyable and memorable sex life. So that was it for this video. If you found it helpful and educative, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for more diabetes insights and tips. You can also share this video to your family and friends if you consider it helpful to them. Thank you for watching. I see you on my next video. Bye.